5:30 in the morning. Plan is to go by 6:45. How'd you sleep?
Not bad.
Oh, yeah, it was good. That's big. Chris over there. Alrighty. It's up early, 7 a.m. We're ready to go. Hopefully we make it to the train in time. We've got about an hour and 40 minutes. So, let's go.
We're just on our way to catch the train. It's very cold. Carly's behind me. I just told her not to get too close because I'm a bit shaky, looking for potholes and trying to film at the same time, but there she is. We got our lights on this morning because it was a bit dark when we woke up at 5:30 a.m. We knew it's going to get lighter, but yeah, it is what it is. Now we're off in this beautiful morning. Not too rainy. It feels like it's just the remains of the night before, really, with the leaves dripping, but it's awesome. So we'll catch you soon.
Pays to get up early, hey? How nice is this? So calm. You can see the mist just over the, I don't know what it is, lake, ocean?
Yeah, it's a lake.
Isn't it? So pretty. We made it to the train with 40 minutes to spare.
It is what it is. I said it, I don't even know why I said it then. Yay,
So we're just gonna sit here in the cold for a bit.
We
It's not meant to be raining, but it is raining. Look at the pigeon staring at us.
That's a seagull.
Seagull.
He's staring at us. He's like I am angry.
Yeah. So we reserved a black spot. But the trains are very small. It's only 2 carriages. So hopefully there's no issues. And it only comes every 2 hours.
We're cold.
You have to look at the camera.
Where's the camera? This side or that side?
That
That
side.
side. And we're hugging each other like penguins. We're cuddling up together. It's just, it actually is very, yesterday I was shaking. I was so cold.
Yeah, but yesterday was like very windy.
It was like windy. I think it was around 8 degrees or 10 degrees. And it was raining and I was so cold.
Yeah,
I had to put, it's like the first time where I'm like, I really need thermals. And even now, my feet are like so wet and just
Yeah,
so
we tried to
miserable.
use the heater to like dry our shoes and socks and
It kind of worked. Let's be honest.
clothes.
It kind of worked, but right now it's just miserable. It's
not miserable now.
it's
It's
raining.
meant to be sunny later.
But it's
So
not sunny. It's not getting sunny today.
yeah, there's blue. Chris is excited to be on the train, so am I. It's warm. It's a cute town there. We're just taking a little breather. We came up that, and now we have to go up there. We made it to the top. So nice. You can see like both sides of us, left and right. You can just see all the hills, like so cool. This side there's a bit of a hill blocking it, but maybe if we go a bit further down we can see the whole view. This one's munching down on a cheese roll. Lovely landfill over there, but otherwise it's pretty nice.
Here's a little church on the top of nowhere. There's Carly. Keep walking. There's a little Baptist church. We've gone up so many hills, and this is like an easy hill. This is the easiest hill we've got.
Holy moly!
But
Fake, like they're all perfectly spaced out.
the sheep.
Can you not see?
No, I can't.
Come back.
Oh no, I'm not coming back.
No, you have to.
No, I'm not coming. No, I can see over there. I ain't coming back.
It's not the same.
No, I can. No, I did see them on the way up. Trust me, I did. They're sheep. I've seen plenty.
No, it looks funny because they're all like.
Okay, well you get on video.
All the sheep got COVID because they're got 2 meters distance.
There's a bit of sheep behind this. We're done here.
They're perfectly spaced out. Alright, should be the last hill of the day. I don't know, I'm just saying I hope so, because we're at what feels like the highest point right now. Can't see much higher. We're looking down on all the hills around us. We've got less than 5 k's to go. So we're staying in this little town, Friday. We got here about 3 o'clock, or 2:30 actually. We've got some food and we got some shows to watch, some videos to edit, and a EPL Champions League game on later. Finished day 3 of our cycling. We made it. Lots of hills today, so we can't imagine how it would have been with 1,600 meters elevation. So we're pretty glad we took the train.
You would have had like 5 hours left.
Yeah, we would have still been not even halfway, right?
Yeah.
So we've got 2 more days of cycling until we get to Cardiff. And yeah.
Alright, we've got more at dinner, pretty much. We've got a meal deal at Co-op. Walking back to our hotel now to watch the Champions League. Well, it's in an hour, but I'm trying to get a view of the city. Well, we would just sign off and say au revoir, merci beaucoup, and I don't know how to say see you tomorrow, but see you tomorrow. Peace.
As you can hear, Chris is very excited to that this place has a bath tonight.